I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to manually scan library files in Plex. When you add new movies, TV shows, or music to your server, Plex usually detects them automatically. However, if a newly added file isn't showing up, or you just want to force Plex to find your new media instantly without waiting for a scheduled update, you can manually trigger a library scan with just a couple of clicks. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to your Plex Web App, and sign into your Plex Media Server account. Step 2. Look at the navigation sidebar on the left side of the screen to find the list of your media libraries such as movies or TV shows. Step 3. Hover your mouse cursor over the specific library you want to update and click the three dots icon that appears next to the library name. A context menu will pop up. Step 4. Click Scan Library Files in this menu. Plex will immediately start searching through your media folders for that specific library to detect any newly added or deleted files. You will see a small loading circle next to the library name while the scan is active, and any new media will appear on your dashboard as soon as the process completes. Alternatively, if you find yourself constantly having to run manual scans because Plex isn't picking up your files on its own, you can change your server settings to handle this for you in the background. To do this, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Plex interface and then click Library under the Settings section on the left menu. From here, check the box next to Scan My Library Automatically so Plex updates whenever it detects a file change, or Scan My Library Periodically and choose a time interval like hourly or every 6 hours. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply the settings. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.